Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking the Sienna for tire installations. So we're gonna be putting the Crossclimate, the Michelin Crossclimate tools on the car. As you can see, the car comes from factory with these you see Michelin Defender tires. These are 17 inches factory size. As you can see, my tires are kind of worn out. They are from 2016, so they are right on time to be changed just because of the age. These tires are run flat tires from factory. I'm not going to be replacing it with run flats. They are expensive, and to be honest, I don't see too much of advantage. I have a spare tire that I carry with me when I'm doing long trips regardless. The Crossclimate tools doesn't come in flat tires, so in flat run flat style. So as you can see, we have our first frostings of the year. Still the leaves are coming out. See all this frosty stuff here. Grass is getting frosty. See the condensation coming out of the car. So yeah, I want to show real quick the tires. So I got these tires from Tire Rack. They arrived a few days ago. Pretty cool that they can send, and I could even have bought rims with it, but since the whole point of obtaining the Crossclimate is that you're not changing tires, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm just going to put it in the factory rims and see how it goes. So I'm gonna drop it off at the mechanic and hopefully do a driving review and just show how they look once they are mounted. Stay tuned.